And what's odd, my dear friends, she was saying that she suffers breathing attacks daily by 3 a.m. and 3 p.m. So my mom was approached by a friend. She's a 54-year-old woman who lives with her partner. They live in Mandaluyong, and she was a formerly devout Catholic who stopped pious practices around 3 years ago, but they kept a lot of religious statues in their houses. And this friend of my mom had a history of spiritual disturbances. What made it worse for her, dear brothers and sisters, Judith accepted the opening of her third eye. And then, according to her, she started receiving spiritual powers from her aunt by ingesting a stone. In the Philippines, we call this anting-anting. And that's when she started practicing folk healing and reading people. And now she was suffering the consequences of that action. And what's odd, my dear friends, she was saying that she suffers breathing attacks daily by 3 a.m. and 3 p.m. For those who are reading exorcism stuff or spiritual warfare stuff, we know that the 3 a.m. is known as the witching hour because it's the complete opposite of the 3 p.m., which is the hour of our Lord's crucifixion. The good thing about this patient, quote unquote, Miss Judith, was she was open to renouncing the occult, the ingestion of the stone, and she wanted to return to confession and restart her sacramental life.